So the first day, I decided to go on a food tour. So we had a lovely guide named Sharon take us around the CBD, the business district, and try out some Kenyan food. I was really enjoying walking the streets with a local.
So we were supposed to try mandazi in the morning. So this is how it looks like.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And the mahamri also looks the same, but it's a bit spicy. Okay. But the same concept. And then here we have the same mandazi, which is ngumu. So what ngumu means is hard, and that is the texture. But inside it's very, very, very soft. Yeah. So this is what you typically have for breakfast. And then here we have pancakes, which are international, samosa, which are very Indian, and then sausage and kebab, which are international as well.
Right.
But the local things here are this one. This one is called mokimo. Yeah, people would typically have that instead of ugali. So you have fish and mokimo, chicken and mokimo, and what mokimo is cream? Yeah. Yes, it has corn, typically mashed potatoes and greens that have been blended. That's what gives it the green color, and then some corn inside. Yeah, and then some deep fried spring onions, which gives it like a very unique flavor. And then what we have here is sweet potato. Tunaweza piga picha? Sweet potatoes, they're just like arrowroots that
it's arrowroot.
Yeah,
Okay.
boiled, and then they're consumed. Before they're consumed, you remove the outer cover. Yeah, but that's typically what people will have on breakfast this side, but this is typically lunch. Yeah. Are you guys curious about anything? Yeah, welcome. Try anything?
I want to try the spiced mandazi.
This mkona mahamri.
Mandazi.
They're nice.
Ni poa. Iko na
you can try it.
wanatafuta mahamri.
I really want to try the mandazi.
Yeah. Okay. Ni sawa tu basi next time.
Thank
So when
you.
we walk on this other side,
Okay.
we're probably going to find
Okay.
that some people. The next thing is this a tree tomato.
Tree tomato.
Yeah, that's very, very, very unique. And then here we have what you call a thorn melon. Yeah. Have you had this before? Sasa nipatie kisu utofua.
Hi.
Tunataka kujaribu thorn melon.
Hi. How are you?
Moja ni 30 bob. 40 bob. Okay.
40?
So, yeah, one goes for 40 shillings.
I tengo some seal. You got it?
Uko na
I got
kisu?
30.
Here.
Okay. 20. 40.
Let me just clean it. You can just click
Okay.
it. Huh? Aya, nakamata nioshe.
Yeah.
Nipe kisu.
These avocados are so full, I think.
Leo sina bahati. Sijaleta, so she asked me link for her a white boyfriend.
Oh my gosh.
So I'm telling her to
I avoid it.
her lucky day.
No,
Yeah.
unfortunately.
Sorry, it's us.
No white boyfriend.
No
sorry.
white. We've all done the white.
You want them.
Yes.
You can bring the excitement to their life.
Yeah.
And they also like black.
Mm-hmm. True. It's true.
It's true.
Yes.
The kiwana tasted like a cucumber. It reminded me of a kiwi and citrus, all in that mix. And it was a little sweet, but also a little bitter. I enjoyed trying it. Hi, how are you?
So here we have a lot of flowers because Kenya is an exporter of flowers to the EU.
Oh,
This is a
I didn't know.
surplus.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's pretty common to find ladies in Kenya having a fresh batch every week, because for just $3 you get a fresh
That's
batch.
so nice.
That's affordable, yeah.
That's affordable. That's
Yeah.
Pretty affordable.
in New York. It's like $25, $30 for a bouquet.
Wait.
Hello. Jumbo, Jumbo. Yeah, only.
They show different cultures and different ways of presenting their ornaments. But if you come to the other side, it's tourism.
How are you?
I can
Jumbo.
see you've eaten something.
Yes, Jumbo.
Have you eaten nyamachoma? Or?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, you took them to eat nyamachoma.
Yes.
He's a very clever guy.
Yes.
Yes. Can I welcome you in my shop? Give me good luck. You look, you comment something. I'll be happy.
I'm okay. What about you?
Yeah, you can see. Hakuna matata. No, come.
I'll take a look, but I don't know.
When you see a lady shop,
Yes.
you should be happy and say,
Surviving
ladies
Kenya.
are progressive.
Yeah.
Yes. We also have rubbish store. You can, these are smaller things you can buy, not expensive, and you give your friend, and they will appreciate.
Yeah, we're good. Thank you. Karibu.
You have that handle.
Nice to meet you.
Again, and that's okay. No, but it depends.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, Kakuna Matata. Nice
Jumbo.
paintings, Jumbo. You can feel free inside.
Whatever.
Oh, look at that. What a good catcher. They know. They don't comb their hair.
Yeah. The older one.
Wow.
So these are very, very small. The older ones are really bigger. They have a long thing. That's the yoga. Yeah. So
This fish looks good.
Can be made in Kenya. What we have here is the Nile perch, which is very popular. And then we have the tilapia, which is on this side. So tilapia is usually consumed whole, but Nile perch is consumed in small, tiny pieces because it's too big. And it's both of them are fried. Here you don't find that because it's a place where people who work from around come in and they just want something fresh and that's prepared faster for people. So
Maybe we get a piece of Nile perch.
yeah. Oh, sure. Yes. Then here we have roast, that's goat meat.
Oh.
Yeah. So that if you want goat meat, that is what we're going to have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to watch your hand?
Yeah.
So we're going to have this and then
Hello.
Good, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Thank you, how are you?
Good. We're hitting the good spot. Sure.
I know, we're excited to be here.
You'll probably see her often, right? You probably see her often, right? She comes.
She don't have some very
Yeah, good. Bring people here.
so we got different types of vegetables, which we're going to try. And then this one is called managu.
Oh, they're different.
Yeah, they're different. Yeah, nderema, managu, and saga.
Okay, I want to try that.
Yeah. Asante. Yeah. Yeah. So here, this is the goat meat, and this is the Nile perch. So I'll teach you how to eat. Oh, but you already know how to. Yeah, yeah. That's how you eat ugali. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. It's so good. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This was really such delicious fish that I just kept eating and eating, and I like all the grains. Delicious. Afterwards, we went to try something local, which is called uji power, and it's a kind of porridge. They gave us some moringa and honey to put into it, and it was really delicious, quite filling and warm in my belly.